before 2026 begins. Do these 5 things, or regret them for the rest of your life, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I am not here to entertain you. I am not here to give you comfort. I am here to give you clarity, because clarity changes lives. 2026 is not just another year. It is a deadline between the life you are living now and the life you will wish you had lived. Time does not warn you. It does not knock on your door. It simply moves forward, silently, mercilessly. And one day, you realize something painful. You waited too long. Regret is not loud. It whispers at night. It says, I should have started earlier. I knew better. I wasted time. Before 2026 begins, there are 5 things you must do. Not later. Not someday. Now. If you ignore them, 2026 will not be kind to you. 1. Stop living someone else's life from the moment you were born. The world told you who to be. Be realistic. Be quiet. Don't dream too big, so you learned how to survive, but you forgot how to live. You chose approval over authenticity, safety over purpose, comfort over truth. And slowly, your dreams became memories. You smile in front of people, but inside you feel empty. That emptiness is not laziness. It is not weakness. It is your real self begging for attention. Before 2026, you must ask yourself one uncomfortable question. Whose life am I living? Because if you do not design your own life, you will be forced to live someone else's. And that is the most expensive mistake a human can make. People regret failed businesses. They regret broken relationships. But the deepest regret is this: I never lived my true life. Do not carry that regret into 2026. 2. Learn a skill that makes you independent. Let me be honest. The world does not owe you security. Your degree does not protect you. Your job does not guarantee your future. Skills do. We are entering a world where AI replaces routine work. Automation replaces comfort jobs. Attention becomes currency. In this world, the question is not, what did you study? The question is, what problem can you solve? Before 2026, choose one skill, not 10. 1, and go deep. A skill that gives you options. A skill that gives you confidence. A skill that gives you independence. Because dependence creates fear. Independence creates power. If you do not build a skill now, you will beg for opportunities later. And begging kills self-respect. 3. Fix your relationship with time. Most people do not lack motivation. They lack discipline. And discipline is not about punishment. It is about respect. You respect money. You budget it. You protect it. But you disrespect time. You waste hours scrolling. You lose days complaining. You give your best energy to distractions. And then you say, I don't have time. That is not true. You gave it away. Before 2026, you must treat time like your most valuable asset. Because it is. Time once gone never returns. Money can be earned again. Energy can be restored. Time cannot. Your future is built in your daily habits, not in your intentions. 4. Heal what you've been avoiding. You cannot build a strong future on unhealed pain. Your fear of failure. Your fear of judgment. Your past mistakes. You distract yourself so you don't feel them. But pain ignored does not disappear. It multiplies. Before 2026, face yourself honestly. Healing does not mean forgetting. It means accepting. It means forgiving yourself. It means releasing guilt. Because unhealed people sabotage good opportunities. They self-destruct. They quit too early. They run from success. Heal first. Grow after. 5. Decide who you will become. Stop chasing goals. Chase identity. Goals are temporary. Identity is permanent. Ask yourself, who must I become to deserve the life I want? Because you do not rise to your goals. You fall to your habits. If you become disciplined, success follows. If you become consistent, confidence follows. If you become resilient, growth follows. 2026 will not change you. It will expose you. Weak habits will become weaker. Strong habits will become unstoppable. Choose who you will become now. Final message. Time will move forward. 2026 will arrive. The only question is, will you arrive prepared or regretful? One day, your future self will look back at this moment, and it will say one of two things. I am proud I started, or I wish I had listened. Choose wisely. Start now.